What is Azure Load Testing?
Azure Load Testing is a service that allows developers to create and run load tests to measure and improve the performance and scalability of their applications in a cloud environment.
Discuss continuous monitoring in the context of Azure DevOps.
Continuous monitoring in Azure DevOps involves using tools like Azure Monitor and Application Insights to continuously collect, analyze, and act on telemetry data from applications to improve performance and user experience.